Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Prior to beginning with Matic cost expectation, let us first know more about Polygon. It is an ideal blockchain stage that gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, wiping out the intricacies engaged with the decentralized biological system. Matic has been made with the sole goal of a multifunctional and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Polygon value expectation is referenced exhaustively in this video. Here every single individual chain manages its autonomous blockchain networks with its agreement system and block validators to make more kid chains of its own. As of late, Matic network rebranded to Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. The current Matic arrangements stay a useful and high need, and the Matic token remaining parts significant for getting and overseeing the organization. Most engineers and undertakings need to construct their scaling arrangements inside the Ethereum biological system to profit from its security and organization impacts. Notwithstanding, they battle to explore its unstructured Ethereum scaling scene and manage its execution intricacies. Polygon, Matic, and unparalleled performance. The genuine strength of the Polygon multi-chain network lies in the extortion-resistant system. By executing POS at the designated spot layer as well as representatives at the block maker layer, Matic guarantees ideal decentralization. This system expects clients to submit subtleties of any fake exchange's thought. Thus, deceitful cases are sliced. This main chain security is advantageous to the POS convention security on the side chains. One more component of the Polygon network is the execution of Plasma, which is based on state put-together sidechains running with respect to EVM. This assists Polygon with systems administration, give adaptability for conventional savvy contracts. The public designated spot layer, which deals with occasional spans, makes the organization license sidechains to work at high rates while distributing the designated spots in bunches. Layer scaling arrangements with decentralization are a definitive Polygon cost goals. The field is tremendous and doesn't restrict itself to monetary choices, exchanges, however other relaxed dApps like games, and so forth. One more advantage with Plasma Cash is that Matic tackles use designated spots for 1 second block times, with POS layer. As Plasma Cash works with non-fungible tokens, NFTs, it turns out perfect for game cards and social state changes where you have pre-characterized charges, packaged as NFT, for example, 20 tokens to play a game equivalents 1 NFT coin on Plasma Cash. In scaling projects viz. Polygon and Quark Chain, Polygon stays extraordinary with its exceptional quality to get to scale, achieving an ideal decentralization. Most recent news of Polygon ecosystem. Polygon, Matic, has forever been forceful on organizations and get consistent updates coupled with the most recent innovation. Consequently, the task generally has something imaginative to bring to a platter. One of the top news about the organization is that they have sent off Polygon Nightfall, which is as of now live. Polygon Nightfall is for organizations to have a reasonable blockchain network with unchanging protection. With Polygon Nightfall and its frontline optimistic ZK crossover approach, organizations will actually want to keep their exchange information hidden from TPs. Aside from Polygon Nightfall, they have likewise presented Polygon Supernets, which is fueled by Polygon Edge. With this adjustable blockchain, clients will actually want to fabricate and send off blockchain networks according to their particular requirements. It utilizes a secluded system to help numerous foundations and scaling arrangements. Another news that can emphatically affect the cost of Matic is that Mark Zuckerberg said in a meeting that he would permit posting NFTs on Instagram and their other family applications. Instagram will hold hands with ETH, Polygon, and a couple other blockchain organizations to work with the NFT posting. In addition to that, eBay has likewise sent off its most memorable NFT assortment on the Polygon organization. On the ceaseless rundown of Polygon news, one of the greatest news is that Matic will be totally carbon impartial toward the finish of 2022. They made a $20 million vow to balance their carbon impressions and later become carbon negative. Specialized analysis of Polygon, Matic. The brain research of clients assumes a urgent part in the crypto market opinion. Aside from it, Numerous different factors like the basics of the token, value history, improvement, and acknowledgement of the symbolic assume a significant part as well. No financial backers should depend just on crypto expectation to settle on their venture choice. Polygon's local token Matic has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and merchants. This suggests further reception of Polygon by dealers and financial backers. The downswing that played for the token in 2019 vanished in the scenery of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape or form a worldview, yet it tends to be said the token was being followed for development. Be that as it may, 2022 has not been a decent one for the Matic token. The coin cost was $2.58 before all else yet has now reached $0.6142. A regularly and definitely noticed characteristic of Polygon is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating way of behaving, particularly this year. The pattern line demonstrates that the cost has been decreased by over 75%. The 57 cents is the quick help level from where the Matic cost has bobbed as of late. Polygon price prediction, 2022 to 2026. As a non-mineable token, Matic's ongoing cost remains at $0.6461 with a crypto market capitalization of $5,140,492,951, setting it in the place of 17 in the worldwide digital money rankings. There are 7.96B Matic tokens accessible in supply presently. The new all-time excessive cost of Polygon is $2.92, and the exchanging volume for 24 hours is $370,270,602.19. The Polygon cost has denoted the least value level of 59 cents and most exorbitant cost degree of 64 cents throughout recent hours. The variables like all-time high, another unsurpassed high, and Polygon cost expectations constantly continue to change, and it is on the indicator's judgment with regards to where the cost will reach. Starting from the start of 2022, the Matic cost confronted critical amendment. Still, Polygon crypto held areas of strength for its of $1.27 until May, when the whole crypto market slumped. It holds gigantic potential according to the Matic cost forecasts. However, enormous achievements are yet to be accomplished. There will be different cost targets referenced alongside its cost activity. Notwithstanding being the inborn attribute of all cryptographic forms of money, instability overwhelms the decision of most brokers. Despite the fact that the pandemic shook the underlying foundations of the government-issued types of money, digital currencies like Matic overwhelmed the world, showing gains notwithstanding the